So I'm gonna make a quick video. I know what you're thinking. Nick, your videos are never quick. But trust me folks, this one is gonna be a quickie. Now I don't know how many of you like Squid Games.
Green light.
Or even know what Squid Games even is.
Red light, green light.
Well, it's something that I ignored for a long time, and I just started watching it and I thought it was so cool. I did start watching it ages ago, but I couldn't get used to the subtitles. But then they brought out a dubbed version, which was all right. So today's video is a bit of inspiration from Squid Games. No, this video is not sponsored by Squid Games. Although it'd be kind of cool if it was. Now, if you do know Squid Games, it's pretty cool. And they wear these masks. Some of them wear these red masks with like X and square and circle on them. They're like kind of like the army, I suppose. And then there's like a big boss, and his name is the front man.
Did you have fun playing the hero?
Yes. So what I thought I would do today is use my 3D printer to make my own frontman mask. Now I know folks, this is not me actually making something, but it's still pretty cool, and it's a short video, and it's just like a step in, you know, like one of those bonus videos. You know what I'm saying? Right. So I basically got this X1 carbon from Bamboo Labs. It is a pretty neat bit of kit. I've done a couple of printing videos you may have seen already, but I absolutely love this. So yeah, we're gonna be using this today, and it's gonna be exciting. So they got this little app basically that you go into. It's really quite cool. Not very bright here, is it? Let me bring you over this way a bit more, a bit better. So we got this app, and as I say, you can search for anything that you want. So I'm going to make a couple of things here. We've got all sorts of Squid Game stuff. So here's the masks, and there should be, there we go, look, there we go, look at that. So that is the front man mask. From Squid Games, frontman mask. So this is what we're going to be making today, folks. We're going to give this a go. I don't know what else we're going to choose yet, but this is a really cool, simple app. You just download the app and you just search for what you want. You just basically press print and select the material you got, and boom, and then you're in, really. So yeah, let's give that a go and select this, and that's the one we want. Start print. Happy days. Older me stepping in from younger me. I have just had some breaking news.
My apologies.
Which I thought I would like to share with you. For those of you that know and love Makers Central,
we are here at Maker Central UK 2025.
For me, this is just like the main point of the year where I get to see like my audience.
don't go nowhere. I've just had an announcement that's just come to me, which I'm really chuffed about, and I just want to share the news. Next year, 2026, I hope that some of you will be there, but I've just had confirmation that we have now secured Record Power back at this show. Now, if you don't know, Record Power have been really big and instrumental in Maker Central. I actually went to speak to them in 2017 about my crazy idea of putting together this Makers show. And they decided to come on board, and they were the main sponsors for 2018 and 19. And I'm so excited to announce that they are coming back for the 2026 show. We don't know the ins and outs yet, but more than likely they'll have demos there. They're definitely gonna be on stage. They'll have kit to sell, and it's gonna be epic. I'm gonna try and get them to do the old pen turning again, because that was brilliant. For those of you that remember, they had these little, they were doing demos on pen turning, and you could have a go, and basically you get to keep the pen. But I don't know. Let's just see what they come up with. But I just thought that was really great news. I wanted to share it with you. I'm really chuffed myself. As I say, they sponsor all my stuff in here, and they were very instrumental in me getting into wood turning as well. So I'm really chuffed. I hope you are too. Right, back to older me, younger me. So it's taken about 2 hours to print this. I showed you a little bit of snippets of it being printed. So now we're gonna reveal and see if we can get this mask out. We're dress up, I'm gonna dress up for you. And it's gonna look pretty cool. All right, here we go. What's it gonna look like? Hey! Yep, that is not gonna fit. Oh man, looks a bit weird. We need to make a bigger one. So I found this one, this is another one. So this one, the other one took 2 hours. This is gonna take 5.5 hours. But I mean, it's a full size wearable frontman mask. So, which is what I should have checked before in the first place really, and I didn't. That's my mistake. It's me just being impatient, just not really reading it before I press print. So anyway, there we go. So we'll get this one going, and we will come back to this in 5.5 hours time. For you, it will be 1 second. Right, let's see what we got and see if we printed it properly this time. So I left this running all night, so hey, now that is looking good, folks. Look at this, the frontman mask. So cool, and it's even got the little grills that it prints for you as well. You got to install those yourself, but that looks so awesome. Right, let's get this. Oh look, it's already detached itself. Happy days. Let's get that out. Look at the quality of that. It's absolutely incredible. Absolutely incredible. I love it. Right, let's get these little bits out of here as well. And I think you can burn these on, like melt them on, or glue them. So right, let's detach this bit from the mask. There you go, so just glued them on there. A little bit too much heat over this side, but doesn't matter. As long as it's on the inside of the mask. But that looks pretty cool. Right, now, let's see what it looks like.
I see you stayed to the end. Well done, you completed the first round. Now to survive, you must like and subscribe to my channel. If not, you might not make it to the next round. Now don't forget Maker Central 2026. I want to see you there, it's going to be big. Now I must leave you to prepare for our next game. Let me know in the comments what you want to see next. Send I just might be back. Thanks again for watching the Nick Zametti channel.